So my name's Boeshart. I'm a cadet here at the University of Washington, Detachment 910. I currently go to school at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in Renton, Washington, which is a crosstown school. And it's my senior year. We just got our jobs, and I'm a munitions maintenance officer, and I'm going to be going to Cadet, Italy. When I was in high school, I really didn't like school so much, so I said I was going to enlist in the military because I didn't want to go to college and I didn't want to be stuck around the small town I was in. So I enlisted in the Air Force to see the world, and I chose I want to be a jet engine mechanic, which is what I got. And I really love my job, and I got to see the world. I deployed numerous times, got to travel to cool countries, even got to go to Antarctica. But throughout my time, it just kind of transitioned to, you know, what am I going to do with my career? If I'm going to stay in for the military, like, what do I want to be? So the decision kind of bloomed into, well, I want to become an officer. I want to be the guy that, you know, makes the decisions. I want to be in charge of people. So I decided, well, I'm going to have to go back to school for this. So when I got back from my last deployment, I got out of the military and enrolled in college, and then I joined here at Detachment 910 to do AFROTC. When I got to AFROTC, it was kind of back to basics and more about, you know, why we're here and where we came from. So it was a bit of a hard transition, and I was kind of reminded very quickly that, you know, there's some top-notch kids out there today. So it was pretty neat to show up and, you know, be able to hang out with some of them. My degree's in aeronautics, so I learned everything about airplanes, and, you know, that's pretty cool. Balancing that with AFROTC, it's definitely changed my time management. I definitely have to kind of use an agenda or like a daily schedule. I didn't really use that before, but just to write out everything I have to do, because otherwise there's, you know, tendency to forget. There's so many papers, schoolwork, homework, AFROTC events, contacting people, you know, just remembering numerous things. Fishing. I like fishing in the summer when the weather's nice. I have a boat. My biggest passion is probably cars. I'm really into Toyota Supras. I got two of them in the garage, actually. One's in pieces still. So that's something I like to do when I have time and money.
And the definitely need to see that top. It's just super amazing. I can't describe it, to be honest. Well, just really probably about the competition, you know. And probably the essential part of the actual athlete. We have
I'm
to
about to leave.
fight.
I'm leaving. Why did I do this?